Hi, um, here's another tutorial for normal sculpt 2D to 3D. In this case, we're extracting depth maps or high maps. I use also Procreate for this. Here are some examples. This is only a test. White is the highest color. It makes highest level of the extrude, and the colors between black and white are the distances of the height. When you're going to the color settings in Procreate, for example, white is 100% and 50% is half the height. And then you can make adjustments with Gaussian blur or something. In this case, the result in Nomad Sculpt is this this example. This is what's coming out. Okay. Another example is I did this as a test. There are gray and white and midtones, and test was also written in pure white. And in Nomad Sculpt, this was the result. To make these maps, it only takes a few minutes or seconds. I did another example here, and I show you where did I get it? Tests, Stapel. Okay, it seems I deleted it, but the tests look so for this one, and this one, the result is this. Okay, and how to do this? Okay, export these files as a PNG, and then you need sorry, it's running only in Chrome. You need a web page, free online tool converter. I post URL in the comment or in the text, and you can make it like this way. Pick your image, for example this one, and now you can adjust the height. I make it now 50, and you can make a few other adjustments. And now transfer it or convert it in a STL file. It takes a few seconds. This web application is free, and Okay, it's ready. Then you can download it. Okay, now it's ready. And then you can import it in Nomad Sculpt. What's the time? 10:24. Yes, this was it. And then you're ready to sculpt. You can do your adjustments and you can split it. And so on. Fine, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.